Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So basically episode this cool amazing part right here in my hand. And basically what this is a hanging shelf closet organizer. So you can put like your clothes, your underwear, your bras or whatever. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what's included inside first before we assemble it to show you guys how to use it. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the packaging looks like. But everything is all nicely compressed and put inside right here, which is pretty cool. So let's open up and take everything out to show you guys what's included inside and how to assemble it. Alright, so there's the piece of paper there. Here we have the first organizer, if you can see. So they have the option here for you guys to pull in and out from like a drawer. And this is what the inside looks like. So you do need to put something inside, I assume, later on, which should be somewhere inside right here to actually hold the bottom part and keep it stable. But it's definitely really cool how it's foldable, so it's space saving. Here's another one that's provided for you guys, which is basically the same thing. But then the inside is a little bit different, if you can see. So this one, you guys can use it to organize like your underwear, your socks, or whatever, because of the different compartments in here, which is pretty nice. And this one is also foldable as well. Next one that we have right here is similar design where they have the little option for you guys to pull out. And this is what the inside looks like. So same thing like the one that I just showed you guys in the beginning. And then right here are some small ones. So we open up this one right here. This one is basically for you guys to organize like maybe your bras, like underwears, your socks, whatever you guys want to put in here, that's up to you guys. But you can definitely see that's pretty spacious. And they provide you guys two of them. So one right here and one right here. And it is foldable design as well. That way I can save a lot of space. Same thing like the other one that I just showed you guys already. Next up right here, you can see there's a bunch of boards. And these boards are for putting inside each one of these organizers. Alright, so the last thing that we have right here, this is basically the organizer itself for like the whole entire thing. So you basically want to attach this onto your closet where the hangers are, which I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But you basically want to stick this part onto this part right here, which is the Velcro, onto the bar so it can actually hold it up. But when you guys open up this part right here, let me show you what it looks like. Alright, so I just let go, you can see what happens. So all of that just pops out. So you guys get 1 space, 2 space, 3, 4, 5, and 6 different space right here. So you definitely have a lot of space to put stuff in here. And on the side right here, you got some more space as well. So there's this 1 space here, 2, and 3 right there. If we turn on the other side, there's nothing on this side. And then basically once you guys have this set up, you can just put the drawers in here, or you can leave certain ones empty as well. And when you feel the fabric on here, it definitely feels like a high quality fabric that will not break anytime soon, which is pretty nice. And then the way how to design the Velcros on here is pretty strong as well. You don't have to worry about it losing its strength to hold the organizer on the shelf. As long as you guys don't keep on opening and closing it and getting stuff onto it, then you should be fine. And one last thing that I forgot to mention is that if you guys look right here, they do give you guys an option right here if you guys want to hang clothes on the side as well. So they do give you guys that one option right here. But now let me show you guys how to set up the boxes or each organizer right here. So basically what you guys want to do is to find the correct one for each one of these frames right here. And then you guys want to insert it inside. So like in this case, this one, all I need to do is go like this. Alright, so once we insert it in, you can see that that is basically what it looks like. You guys want to make sure you guys have this part up, so that way if you guys need to remove it, you can just pull it out like that really easily. So that's the first one. Next one, we have this option right here. And this one, you guys want to do the same thing where you guys just put it in like this. Slide it in, and you're done with that one. And then same thing for this one as well, just slide it in. And you guys have another slot right there. And then for the next one that we have right here, this one is the one that you guys can put socks in here. That's what they recommend. And the way how you guys put the bottom frame, you guys want to make sure you guys get this one right here, where it doesn't have the black stuff on the edge right here, only on this side right here. And the reason why is so that you guys can actually slide it in. So guys, look at this opening right here. We just have to slide it in right here. Alright, so once you slide it in, you just want to push it in all the way. That way you guys have the foundation and support in the bottom part and to hold it in like that. And then for the next one that we have right here, you want to do the same thing here as well. So you just want to slide it in. Right, so once you're done with that part there, you can see there's some more stuff right here on the side and this side as well. And what you guys want to do is just insert this part right here. And this basically acts like a divider inside. Alright, so just like that. But that is basically everything in terms of the packaging and what's included inside and how to set it up. Now let me actually bring this over to the closet and show you guys how to set up and what it actually looks like once you guys fully assemble it together. Alright, so right here with the product. So let me actually open it up first. And then we want to put this on top right here. Alright, so once you guys fully assemble it, this is basically what it looks like. So you can see that there's definitely a lot of space right here, but it's not that long. It just goes up to right here, which is pretty nice. So like I mentioned, you do have the space right here on the side to put stuff you guys want to. Let's put in each one of these organizers first to show you guys what it actually looks like when you guys put it in. Alright, so we'll put these first. Here is number 3. Here is number 4. And here is number 5. So basically once you guys assemble all of them, this is basically what it looks like. You can see definitely very spacious and you can put a lot of stuff on here. So you got an empty room right here to put whatever you guys want. So you can definitely pull these in and out. So you can put all your socks inside right here if you guys want to. And then put other stuff here as well. So there's a lot of space right here which is completely empty. And then here's some more space. And then here's some more as well. And here's another one as well. And then the empty space here as well on top where you can put whatever you guys want. And then right here you guys can just open up and put whatever you guys want as well. And you guys can hang stuff on here. You guys can only probably hang like one stuff right here. And then here's like some more pockets where you can put stuff as well. But this is basically what the overall product looks like. So you can definitely see there's a lot of room for you guys to put whatever you guys want in here and everything is well organized. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually works quite well. Super easy to use and super easy to assemble as well. Once you guys fully assemble the product, you can put everything inside right there. Whether you want to put like your socks, your underwear, your clothes, your t-shirt, whatever you guys decide to put in there, that's up to you guys. But definitely see you guys can put a lot of stuff in there. They also do let you guys know that the weight capacity on here is 30 pounds. So you don't want to exceed 30 pounds when you guys put stuff on here. Otherwise, it might not support the stuff that you put inside right there. But definitely see from unboxing and testing of the product, everything works pretty well and actually it's really easy to assemble as well. And definitely love the fact of how it's so space saving. So when you guys need to move or if you guys want to move into a different room, you guys can just take everything out and fold it back up and just bring it with you guys wherever you guys need to use it again. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we look at unboxing and testing of the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys are living somewhere where you guys don't have a lot of room to work with and you just want to be as space saving as possible to put like your laundry, to put your clothes, your underwear, your socks and everything and keep everything all organized, then these are definitely super worth it in those scenarios. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have need one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.